Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe too. Because you know, due to this coronavirus, you cannot attend school. Today, we will discuss the topic safety measures for COVID-19. Let me introduce you to our male nurse, Mr. Mrityunjay Kha of SRI RAMAKRISHNA ASHRAMA INSTITUte. First, we must wash our hands daily with soap.
Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. Step 5.
We must use sanitizer. Step 3. We must keep safe distance with each other of 6 feet. We have to keep safe distance with each other. Step 4. We must wear mask when we step outside or when we go outside. Please remember to cover your nose and mouth properly. Step 5. We must wear clean clothes. Wash your clothes daily with any kind of detergent. It must be clean. Step 6. We must not spit anywhere. Step 7. We must drink plenty of water. You will get a PDF along with this video. Please learn the entire topic by heart and maintain the safety measures for COVID-19. Thank you, take care and stay safe.